Hey Libra. So this is going to be your love reading for the month of July. Please keep in mind, if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well.
Because even when we shuffle, I just saw the Five of Pentacles. Like, yeah, this is somebody that left you out in the cold for a third party. See what I'm saying? Look at that. So that's what I'm telling y'all. Either there's a child involved with a third party person. Hold on. I just got another scenario. Okay, y'all. That was two scenarios. I just got something else. Okay. I'm seeing this children card because remember when I was telling y'all that your person was allowing someone else to dictate how they move, what happened? Oh, my headache is here. It's pounding. Okay. It could have been like a family member. Preferably a mom or dad, because they're the child of this parent. You know, it could go three ways. So let's just see what happened. They messed up. That's why the trust was broken, because they were listening to someone else and that person gave them bad advice, bad information. Like, they lied. Alright, anyway, let's just go. Let's see what's going on. Alright, here we go. So, bottom of the deck, I have the Six of Wands. So, yeah, there's someone here that wants to have a victory with you, Libra. Could be a Sagittarius. If not, this person definitely just wants to balance things out with you. They want to make things right. But they can't help but to think about what they put you through in the past. Tell me more. Yep, somebody could have been dealing with a Scorpio. Or there could have been a Scorpio in their past. And this is what caused like an imbalance. But regardless, this person feels like they're not going to have a new beginning with you. And so, yeah, they've been keeping an eye on you, Libra. This person has been watching you. Somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or a Sagittarius. But I'm seeing that this person, they know what they want. They're going to have the confidence to come and speak their truth. But right now, it's like little to no communication. So if you have been talking to this person here and there, I feel like they haven't opened up to let you know what exactly took place, you know, that caused you two to separate. Like, there's just like, you know, a little bit of flirting here and there, but they haven't opened up. Some of you guys may not have heard from this person at all, but I feel like there is communication coming in. See, this person definitely was being sneaky. That's the problem. Tell me more. Yep, and they're hoping that you can forgive them for basically leaving you hanging. Because they left you out in the cold. But this person, they want to move things forward with you. I'm seeing that they did learn a lesson. Tell me more. Judgment. They made a decision. What's the decision, please? Oh, they're back and forth. The way this landed. Somebody could be dealing with a Cancer. I do feel like they do want to move things forward with you, Libra. But right now, they're still hesitating. Why? They're hiding something from you. Remember I told y'all in the beginning? Somebody had secrets. Or, yeah, they're hiding something from you. Could be dealing with the Pisces. Clarify the moon. Yeah. Somebody basically could have been hiding some type of family situation. Or they weren't being honest with you about some type of family situation. But whatever it is that they were keeping from you, they feel like you just don't want to move forward with this person. Yeah, and that's why they're not taking a leap just yet. Maybe they are trying to get out of something. Tell me more. Yeah, see, third party. So there could have been family here involved. Or there is some type of family situation going on. But they know that you're disappointed in them. I'm seeing that they're coming out of being frustrated about it. But at the same time, they're afraid that they're not going to have a victory with you. Yeah, because originally they walked away from you. Now they feel like if they come back, you're going to end up walking away from them because y'all are over it. So I'm seeing that a decision has been made, but back and forth. It's like, I'm telling you, one minute they make a decision, but the next minute they're undecided about what exactly to do. The Sun. They want happiness with you. Clarify the Sun, please. Yep, they want happiness with you. They definitely want things to improve with you. I'm seeing it twice. I'm telling you, they want to heal things with you. They do want things to improve with you, Libra. Oh, I just got a headache when that came out. My headache was going away, and here it is. But the truth is coming out. They got to speak their truth to you. Somebody could have been dealing with a Capricorn. Somebody was in something toxic. And they're scared to tell you some type of truth. So I told y'all, somebody's been keeping something from you guys. Clarify the devil. Yeah, because see, in the past, this person was confused. They didn't know what they wanted to do. And they had a hard time. But now they're coming to you. They're just still kind of moving a little slow. But they're regretting. They're regretting leaving you the way they did. Yeah, because see, they didn't... It's like... They didn't bring stability into this situation. Somebody could have been dealing with an Aries. Because, see, they do want stability with you. But now, I'm telling you, there's somebody in the background that they're holding on to your person. And it is for financial reasons. There's the Queen of Cups reversed. Could be a water sign. Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. This person knows that they hurt you. They messed up. And now they're feeling like you're done with them. You don't want to open up to them anymore. And this is why they're moving slow. Because they just don't have the strength. You know, they don't know if you're going to reject them. Somebody could be dealing with a Leo. See? They're not content. Somebody's still entertaining some type of situation. But see, I'm glad to see that. Because I was going to say somebody's still feeling stuck in the situation. But see, they're getting out of it. They're going to remove themselves out of a situation, Libra. This third party situation. But they're afraid that they're not going to have a new beginning with you. Did something just flip? Okay. I'm tripping. 2 of Cups. This person definitely wants to have a commitment with you, but they're back and forth because, see, they stabbed you in the back. They don't know if they can heal things with you, you know? Because in the past, yeah, that in and out energy. Somebody was being a player. And, see, they had other options. And now it's like they're trying to let go of those other options because, see, they want to talk to you, Libra, but they're afraid you're going to go in on them. Like, they know you're done playing around with them. Somebody could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. Yeah, you see what I'm saying? Because they didn't balance things out in the past. You did everything. There's the Aquarius. But I feel like they want to heal things with you. They want to make things right. But see, who is this Queen of Pentacles person? There's an earth sign involved here. Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. Even if it's not an earth sign, the fact is, I'm still being drawn. There's 2 women here. Could be 2 men. But they're 2 different women. This person, in order for them to make things right with you, they're going to have to leave this other individual alone. Which I'm seeing they are. They're not putting any more energy into that person. But they feel like at this point, if they give you an offer, you're not going to take it. See? They feel like they're not going to be able to turn things around with you. They're going to have to work hard to win you back, Libra. And they know it. This person messed up. Look, see? Because they do want to start over. And they want to build something solid with you. But they're afraid that they lost you for good. They took too long, see? They were being very rude to you in the past, very harsh. But this person, they see the truth. They know the truth. So they're making some changes. They're cutting off people, cutting off behaviors. And they're confident now. They know what they need to do. But see, they can't sleep. And they're worried. Because I feel like in the past, yeah, they were moving slow with you. Now they don't. They want to come towards you and offer you a commitment. This person definitely wants to take things to the next level, and that's a decision that they made. Somebody could be dealing with a Taurus, but they're afraid that you don't want to have a new beginning with them. And they're sad about it. See? They're afraid that things may not improve between the 2 of you, but see, they want to have stability with you. They want to have a home with you, a family with you. But some of them could be feeling stuck in some type of codependent situation with family. I don't know why I heard house just now when I was trying to say family. So maybe there could be like a living situation or something dealing with a house, a home. But they're feeling stuck there. Tell me more. Yeah, they're afraid that they're not going to have a new beginning, but this was their lesson. I mean, y'all, it is getting dark. I don't know why I didn't turn the light on, the other light. Let me turn this lamp on. Sorry, y'all. It got dark real fast. So anyway, somebody could be dealing with a Virgo, but this was their lesson. Why is the Ace of Pentacles here? Yeah, they're coming to give you the offer that you should have gotten in the beginning, the one that you deserve. Tell me more. But by you getting this offer from them, do y'all see this? Somebody's going to have to pay up. Somebody feels like they're taking a financial loss. By them coming to you to give you an offer, the person that has been interfering, whether it's family, a love interest, whoever this Queen of Wands person is, I feel like somebody may have to come out of pocket because they've been giving to this person, or they may have to give to them in order to remove themselves out of that situation. Somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or a Sagittarius. See, that's why they're back and forth with the Magician. One minute, they're positive about moving things forward, but the next minute they're not, because there's something that's going to happen. I thought this person has been avoiding it. Could have been dealing with a Gemini, but yeah, they cause an imbalance. But see, they're not confused. It's like they're not battling themselves anymore. But right now, Spirit is saying they're having a hard time because this person they're not listening to their intuition. They know what they need to do. Could be dealing with the fact that I almost said Capricorn. Somebody could be dealing with a Capricorn. I was trying to say Earth sign, but Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo. But I'm feeling like this person, they're coming out of being frustrated, and I'm seeing that they're clearing away obstacles, but right now they're not talking to you. They're not opening up to tell you what's going on. They're keeping quiet. Yeah, see? They're going to open up and say something to you, though. They're freeing themselves from a situation. Tell me more. Justice, reverse. Yeah, you could be dealing with another Libra. That's them speaking their truth, but then that could also be them trying to get out of a contract or get out of some type of like legal situation. Clarify justice, please. Clarify justice. Oof. That's why they're afraid. There's something with money going on here. And it's like they didn't balance things out with you. They're afraid if they come to you and speak their truth, it's not going to go anywhere. See? Because they had you waiting. You know? And they're afraid that now you're not going to take this offer. I'm telling you, somebody's worried about their money, their financial stability here. Because they've been waiting around on something. But, yeah. Libra, please leave me some comments. Let me know if this resonates for you guys. Let me know what's going on, and I will talk to you guys soon. Love you all. Bye.